Many media products have distribution and production companies that are relevant to their product. We specifically chose to make our own production and distribution company as we believed we would therefore be able to cater them to our product. For example, we chose Stormy Seas as the name for our distribution, as the seas would represent how our product would be distributed globally. For our production company, we decided to name it Bloodstream Productions, as we wanted it to link with the subgenre of zombie. We developed Wes Craven's horror theory that although we see houses as a safe place, this is not the case. We use this because we have our characters trying to evade the danger by entering a house, similar to the opening title sequence of Scream. Both Casey and our characters believe that entering the house will provide them with safety, but before Casey can return to her home, she is killed. We defy this, as after the characters enter the house, Alice transforms.
We followed the media product, The Walking Dead's use of lighting. We did this because we thought that it added a twist to typical horror conventions. As horror is nearly always filmed at night, we also believe that this allowed the audience to be able to notice the difference between the survivors and the zombies, which definitely added a higher level of fear to the sequence. We also followed the convention of having the protagonist as teenagers. An example of a project that does this is Zombieland. We chose to follow this convention as our target audience is mainly teenagers, so this convention would appeal to them.
For our zombie, who was featured the most, we chose a male actor who was tall, as we thought this would make the villain of our film seem more intimidating to the audience. Examples of horror media products that do this include Warm Bodies, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, The Shining, and American Psycho. This is an effective convention to follow, as otherwise the audience will not find the killer as intimidating, and therefore the product will not be as effective, as it will no longer be deemed scary. Another convention that we use is having zombies who do not possess basic human understanding, and instead just want to kill people. Examples of film that also do this include 28 Weeks Later, 28 Days Later, and Dawn of the Dead. We chose to do this as we believed that otherwise we wouldn't be able to have as much focus on the survivors as we wanted. We also chose to incorporate a human to zombie transition. A film that has also done this is World War Z. We included this as we think that it is a vital part of any zombie movie, and also adds to the fear the audience will experience.